Yeah. Yeah. My G's. Yo.
I love Christmas.
Never sorry. Never sorry. Shut the video. Never sorry. Never sorry.
I saw my gang here cool.
Shut the video for me.
Stop on set. Also, got somebody I enjoy a cool. And in the gang, Santa Boys. We don't fear, we just do. Americans and in the near. One Bosuro and in the near. Can I buy the back? Just when you
And that. Can I buy baba? Just when he end that.
Get my foot, nigga before. Santa Boys, so we got this to the bro. They give my code, selling us slow. Why she could them, I'm in crow.
I love it, all niggas. Santa America, Miami, Philly, now. I'm in blood niggas. I don't fuck with no false niggas. Niggas pretend on some false truth about their life living. They ain't got no life living. You know what's that cool?
But no, I said video, no.
That's the part of the living.
Shut the video. Shut the video.
I think I'll call me.
Shut the video. Shut the video. Shut the video. Shut the video, no mommy.
Representing America for life.
Yeah. Well, my G's.
Yeah, G. Yo, don't feel for your man. Shut the video. Shut the video.
Yeah. My G's. Yo.
I love Christmas.
Never sorry. Never sorry. Never sorry. Shut the video. Never sorry. Shut the video. Shut the video. Shut the video.
I saw my gang here cool. Boys name how they cool. Step on set. Also got somebody I enjoy a cool. And in the gang, Santa Boys. We don't fear, we just do. Americans and in the near. One Bosuro and in the near. Can I buy the back? Just
When he end that, can I buy baba? Just when he end that.
Get my foot, nigga before. Santa Boys, so we got this to the bro. They give my code, selling us slow. Why she could them, I'm in crow.
I love it, all niggas. Santa America, Miami, Philly, now.
Hey, for so happy, I'm sorry, what it?
Fuck with no false niggas. Niggas pretend on some false truth about their life living. They ain't got no life living. You know what's that cool scheme? We don't earn salary, that's the part of the living.
Shut the video, shut the
Men in the gang.
Shut the video, shut the video. Shut the video, 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 shut the video.
I'm so catch you out to Susana. Out of my way. These niggas keep on talking, never did a thing they say.
They keep on talking, but they never do what they keep on saying. They keep on talking, but they never do what they say.
I'm gonna get sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Never sorry. A revolution has just begun. We don't do baby. Shut the video. Men don't put on my sorry. You know, so 24/7. Obi bisasa day, are bloody and you're bloody. Do you know why I have this Kotokuro do here? Yesterday I saw Fini Jonas walking in US with bodyguard. Now me and me walk Ghana. Who they small bra? Huh? Penny be small say bra. Why? Miniska me di koto tu. But who they small bra? Why? Say penny be small for wuti mi bra. Minisika me di koto tu. Minisika me di koto tu. Etu de say penny be small bra. What dey? Oh, damn. Share the video for me. Why? Share the video for me. So penny be sumawa. Bra. Why? Minisika me di koto tu. And the first law of nature is self-defense. It is a mechanical answer obe suma me abi premier. Obi sumawa. Bra. On say the man kwa bontin. Me information from around. O ma started tell me baby me tell gina. So first na me program na me gina bonten na me kwa bonten na me nam krom na me nam around me boa ana me jai kakra na me pe wan kɔ na bi na mate na pe wan kɔ na bi na mate na nse ya me start out no wodi obi bra ya suma wa brala Owurade Nyankopɔn ala Owurade Nyankopɔn ala me nka say me kodutwa pani bia o me nka say me ni obi kokontokɔ o I'm protecting myself. Ghana no nobody will protect you. Emra eche hiafo enche sikafo enti wo de yesuma wo sabra just take your bag and come. Say hey Twini Jonas nam US abonte bodyguard di nachi ene you pesa wo kan no kura wo wankasa wo kura mu kura na you are not safe. Twini Jonas nam abonte a wo bodyguard edi nachi no de nam abonte eye program na me wo Ghana me kwa de me hia konfo be edu ni sia na wo so wo magina machi enti wo de wo yesuma wo abra why? A revolution has just begun. And don't think we are just against this incumbent government too. It is a warning to every government who will come tomorrow also. It is a warning to every government who will also come tomorrow. So the youth in this country are saying, say, you best sorry. Yanko, Yanko. Who they small bra? Small bra. Penny be sumawa. Come. Why? Bra.
Yeah.
Penny be sumawa brala.
Yeah. Come on, Jesus.
You best sorry. This message is not for this. I'm already not see a taba.
God, Chris Fish.
Sorry. Sorry.
I'm protecting myself.
Stop on set, on fire, somebody enjoy your cool. And in the gang, Santa boys, we don't fear, we just do. Americans and in the year, one poster, and in the year, can I'm by the bar, just when you man die. Can I'm by the bar, just when you man die. Better on foot, nigga before, Santa boys, so we got this to the blow. Nigga my bro, selling us so, why she could them, I'm in the crow.
Santa America, Miami, Fuani, Miami, blood niggas. I don't fuck with no false niggas. Niggas pretend on some false truth, but their life living. They ain't got no life living. In our circle, we scheme, we don't earn salary, that's the part of the living.
Shut the video for me, shut the video for me, shut the video for me. Bobby move.
Bandana. My mom is over country artist, Susana.
Shut the video.
Out of my way. These niggas keep on talking, never did a thing they say.
So what about them not penny be sumawa bra?
I'm never scared no way.
Penny be sumawa bra. Me me nyo obi adwuma o. Bra.
And this time with your thoughts, I saw some correct. Send education on me good too. That bitches don't be the room. I press on the game, bitch, I have my check it.
You're calling 10 wa. I'm sure for me, church will be better, baby. Baby, I'll show me if you are a child. But what you're more than a share video, no mommy. My caption is a revolution has just begun. And don't think we hate this government, we hate MPP, or we hate NDC. We have to stand for our country, not for those living today, but for those who will come tomorrow. Our four grandfathers did it for us today, and for that matter, don't sit there and keep quiet and tolerate nonsense going on. And for that matter, you're best sorry. Enti me na my yimi want him say meka sano. I know say I'm not safe. Say Twini Jonas nam US abonten na say you ready Nyankopon. Bibini mpe no kure. Enti onam US abonten kura no. Ono akasa wonim say ne yonko bi before onom mpe no kure. On betima hwehwe anytime. No ma plan anytime. Enti wa ma bodyguards e guard no. Ena mi hu ya me say dabi. Enya se kan keto na da ha ni sha. O se me kope kotokrodo. O se me kope kotokrodo na me de to ha. Enti wo de se me nam ho na ana o be me ko ba bia nso e ka me ho. Me ko ba bia e ka me ho. Me ne ne ko. I'm protecting myself. I don't trust any police, any soldier, any whatever. I don't. No. Because so much. And don't think what we are doing is just for doing sake. It is resulting. Result free move back. Once you are suspended Captain Smart. Once you are suspended Captain Smart. Well, ask yourself, say, you then you're suspending, and I say, then I got a chef free, baby, I know you're Jumano. In this country, the leaders don't want the truth. And penny phone and pen no crap. It too sorry so back no crap. Now, the journalists in this country, I make us journalists in this country, Metimaka says 70% of them, they are willing to speak the truth. But baby, Jumano, that is where they feed from. I want no money dear, and they are in a dear. Onya baby, nidi, onya bi shabushia. Captain Smart na well, I mean, enough. Or no was Kanya, they were born a bra. It on no okay. Besides, say how many of them na is soon as you be your wedding to me enya juma. Ask yourself, how many of them and as soon as you be your wedding to me can correct? Do you get what I'm saying? Have you said a video? How many of them? Siampa for me say 90% of businessmen in this country are all corrupt leaders, businessmen. Then I'm catching natural. Yeba. If I'm in the plan twice, I know the program.
Get the money with no degree. Say my back, BG, Lord, they get from the sea. I'm a Cassiada, Sati Bomb, and Pam. I'm a Cassiada. Sir, don't go for your back.
Mr. Penny be Sumawa, bra. Why?
I got that Bobby line, but I now bomb movement, yeah, break off. When I trap in the sea, me take me a hard one out from my trap. And the main boys in the sea, and tears on there.
I don't know. Hey, Mania Massa. Don't call at this time, cry. Don't call at this time. In this country, if you want to be truthful, if you want to speak truth to power, now we need and answer you are not independent. Ask yourself, how many of those speaking truth are in this country? Because I say, Nipadu was saying, I saw this on the can of crack, about bumping if which more man with say MPP a benzo, say NDC a peso. Because I was saying, Nipadu was saying, and I saw the person more can of more man with. And us are really out, and us, no crowd or person revealing to know. I just saw Katanim, and an identity, SCA. Nti emu bia ye nim na ye kasa no ye nkwankura di sa etale haban so what I say ye nkwankura tale haban so it affect the country demonstration na ebeba so no a police for mo broken 2 million times ye be appeal 2 million times the demonstration have to come on fix the country was champagne be better type of sexual attitude na me try to say kan wa see here cause champagne be better type of fix your attitude. I mean, trying to say, can you see how I see how did you mean? Some more about that. Captain Smart, director, you are doing a marvelous job. We, the youth, are behind you solidly. What I want to tell you is say, create your own platform. The businessmen in this country, 90% of them, how many MPP in this they eat one football. Omo nyina ye corrupt enti ye sero captain aduma na wo se wo be ye no say no kwesa wo pesa wo kasa for this country and if the country is at your heart and if the youth of and the generation to come is at your heart there my brother my senior director jai wo bi aduma ye na create one kasa platform. Ghanaians want the truth and interview na Captain Smart course no time na Captain Nyamba interview no so no hwe be bia na views ne nam Captain no captain betina fidie no so pe e wa na views no na shoot eti Captain Smart create one kasa platform you to ne baba be support obi ababa be hwe Ghana for baba be hwe ye nyina ye be support Captain Smart okatache men sa frifa Abraham Ben Mose ane one guy be one man be a friend no Bedi Akon whatever Bedi Akon Mr. Bedi Akon these people our help Sani pa 5 we won't join it together. You bet the country way within 4 years. Won't join it together. But that makes out right. The youth will not keep quiet anymore. This is a revolution not to this. Maybe can't just say a time MPP party and I say we are against this governance. So, what we are doing is a message to the politicians. It's what China was so bad. Would they be judging me? Would they? Me say, what the politician be sumawa bra? Politician be sumawa bra?
Kata boys sorry.
America. Say Jonas in US. Say Jonas in US. Now was a bodyguard didn't a cheer. All because we can't cry. Me Ghana was a me pay amoka bear 4. Na me kwa no mudi mechi. Because my way and penny for woman pen no cry. What I say? Abeku Godson repent. We are not stopping, my brother. Thank you. Share the video for me. What I say? What is the better match when I say? We are not stopping. Say Jonas Nam US. Na say bodyguard dinachi. Ano what they call? One home buying. Na me Ghana. O pese me sorry no pa me na mo sa. Enti this kotokro do here no. I'm protecting myself, huh? Me say, huh? Obviously the offer you looking scary. Please calm down. Offer. I'm sending a message to sound kwasiafona. Ya mo 1 million, ya mo 2 million. No one be sure, no one be 2 and so be proud no. Me send a message am mo. Ma boa me ho na me nam. Me nim adwuma na me ye no. Me nim what it takes. Me nim se Ghana penny pen okre. Ghana penny form pen okre. Se wo ye ni ya. Enka yebeka. Wo ye ni ya. Enka Captain Smart obeka. Wo ye ni ya. Enka babo abaso. Wan ye ni ye no bo wa chinti no. Wo di mirika frefre penny for. And I say 90% of businessmen in this country are criminals. Or many politicians ni na ye one. They are all criminals. And o movia o mine no. Me na me ka me kire. Businessmen ni bu okra na. Omo kra ni am fra brochire ba port wa. Omo ni penifo ni na ye one. Omo ntwa duty na omo yi ni free. Siapo. Ya mo say you to ne be di won. Beba. Abetre. Ya be sorry.
The red is good.
Ya be sorry.
We are dopers.
Ya be sorry.
America for life.
Eti se wo. We akwasi ampani. Na se obi suma wo se. Ah, na obi suma se bra be prame a. Me ka che wo se brala. Me ube kumusumusu me kum. Because you man dey nyanyai. Ine sase kura o. You be sorry. Share the video.
Oh Jesus. Joe.
I love Chris Fish.
I saw my gang here cool. Boys name how they cool. Step on set, one flag up, somebody enjoy your cool. And in the gang, Santa boys, we don't fear, we just do. Americans and in the year, one posture, and in the year, can I buy the bar? Joe to any man that. Can I buy the bar? Joe to any man that. Nigga before, Santa boys, so we got this to the blow. They give a go, selling a soul. Why she could them on me, I'm a call.
I love the girl niggas. Santa America, Miami, Phony now. Miami, blood niggas. I don't fuck with those false niggas. Niggas pretend on some false truth about their life living. They ain't got no life living. You know what's like we scheme, we don't earn salary, that's the part of the living.
What do you say? Politician be sumawa bra.
I think I'll call me.
Bra. Penny for one man we mun pen okre. Obia so dey o kan okra na mo tu no so sa. Eti journalist be bring to me kasa because omo adwuma ye for penny for be yo madi. Asia for the penny be sumawa bra. Tia wo sikan. Wallahi, wo da bra.
I'm away.
You be sorry. You be sorry. You be sorry. You be sorry.
Me come back, me quite sorry. When you come, and this time, me just toss us so correct. Education
We living in a country ubia suro so bekasa. Journalists suro so bekasa. Eno na branch bi interview captain bi. Na wuti a branch interview na we interview captain na. Wuti musa branch no eda payroll so. Some the branch organ so modoso. Ana captain so organ so modoso. Nti se me mo obi adi. Ana mabo bi di. Wo de mabo bi di atro. Eno na branch bi interview captain bi. Na wo say interview no na wo tie nsam afiri abranche na num ho say the captain pese obi agya na abranche no esoso na no e de ne na ne nam na e pese o cover ne ma ye damage control na otimi say abranche ne da pay ro so aban pofo ni bi no aman pofo no e bi ni say abranche no enteni Ghana fo suro so be kan okre omo suro so be yo mo ani ma ye bibi. Some of us we are not afraid. Be kan okre kire wo ye be sorry ye be sorry Nicholas anom afom ha hanya bete eti wo de wo hwe me ana wo ye pani bia wo de wo hwe me na wo de wo so watimi na wo ma agene nya adwuma ma pani bi ma 100 cedis na bra so ba be prame ma boa me ho me say aduma we ase na me jai party ni nta nkwase asem ne ko we invite me weekend obi invite me opon ho manko obi invite me ba bia anhwa me nko wo nipa no me nimu yie pa me ma because me nim say me nam nyina no me nkwata le haban so ebeti mate at any time nti ma body obi pani be soma wa bra jiska no se pani be soma wo na wo nyansani na wo jiska no na wan kodi no wanwane. Now we just can also beba. Come. It's about time we have to. Omo buy omo legends omo di kan buy ya. Omo ye omo wa yemu ye. Eye omo omo ye omo boko. Na mukunku omo ye omo free ono. This time legends na abana yemu binu ma na no ma tiesi yeso no. We are well prepared. We are well protected. We are we frame. Now what's the team wo fun so? Me kan me se kwa me kokko nan me kwakko ye hwehwemu akope wo kradin me kwakko saman wa manananom me se wa brabo se wa jimia se de kwaso man ni mu ya ana mo so a munya dwuma bia so mo de da payroll so esan campaign mo ya ma aban esan connection mo wo mpanifo mu ntino mo de da payroll so na mo fro car from Accra to Kumasi na mo fa plane from Kumasi to Accra na mo ne na mo chele no na mo ba internet no so be comment fix your attitude no mutiri so ne mapampa so moa fix mutiri so ne mapampa so asiampani bibini onya bibini na ne hoto ne pe na onfa foforo aka ho na obia mre na o defend ba bia o didi video no. I don't blame some of you moa ma o obi nyimi wa safo me se pani bi fela wo na wo ba wo paase bra be piramia jiska bra se twini do na sinam US na se bodyguard di da chi me miniska me de kototuo ana miniska so me de kofa bodyguard but wo de bra miniska me de kototuo ana miniska so me de kofa bodyguard but wo de bomodia na pani bi fraw se ko bra branche we ya na bra This is just the beginning of a revolution, a massive revolution, not for us today, but for some generations to come tomorrow. Also, more damage control social media. Also, more damage control social media. Politicians are treated as scam and cophobia or more damage control. Forget about them. Once the police in person demonstration, demonstration peacefully. Obia kaso ko tutu obia se kan yo. Se Canada me kwa there for my personal protection. What did I better make say? Se Canada me kwa there for my personal protection. Because the first law of nature is self-defense. The first law of nature is self-defense. Inti aboa koda ne baby na wo kon ho a. The moment a wo kon ho no, o se on say chese o ma warning. Enti ye na wo fie no, we are not safe at all. Me etiako Abraham Bemose any Bible commando, we are not safe. And you say you safe. Say Captain Smart mpo. Mutimi frese mu yenyi na didia. Ene ma unse memem kwata le habanfu. Mem kwasa. Mutimi fre Captain Smart, timi fre back. na mpanifo ni bi ono mo a obra mo bre ansa na mutima bia nwuma nei no se motena se na mo kai a why don't you think about those down there omutimi nsore ye munyina mo sise politicians na chi ana mo vi o man sika ne di ana mo ya adwuma enkwasiasam ana nei journalists ntimi ka no kore. The journalists are there for the people to let the people those in authority hear what the people want to say. But any Ghana journalism no adane gwedi na di na honto nti enu ana branch bi interview captain bi enu ana branch bi interview captain bi na wo hwa interview na ekoso na team sa branch no or da payroll so ana wa say Sametuga Antonia manku no ma me no wasefo nyina boaba Antonia man no gogo bosom ahonhom anua say to ma we hu asia Ghana ahonhom nyina enku no wabusuafo Sametuga wutiri so no wapampa so menne wo so wo ne twasiri kwasia boa wo de gimu ase em say ebekokromo physical ne be yedi be yemu Ghana
That bitches don't
Keep on talking never did I see this.
The realest youth. Come to Santana.
ya nya ne boko wo de obi nyimi
America for life.
obi nyimi obi nyimi obi nyimi ya be sorry we not keep quiet chat here yenye di da I said the journalists are our friends.
I love Chris Fish.
Sorry. You sorry. You sorry. You sorry.
I saw my gang, you're cool.
Hey.
Boys, near how you're cool.
Hey.
Stop on
I'm people so mawa bra. This is so mawa bra. This is so mawa bra. MC this so mawa bra. Political party this so mawa bra. Just when you end that.
Nigga provoke, Santa boy, so we got this to the bro. Selling us slow, why shit with them, I'm in the crow.
I love the dog niggas. Santa America, Miami, Philly, Miami, dog niggas. I don't fuck with no false niggas. Niggas pretend on some false truth about their life living. They ain't got no life living. You know what's like who's scheme.
Anopena me ne bobza I didn't come. Anopena me ne bobza I didn't come. The last thing I fear on this earth is death. I'm telling you. Bobza me tell. The last thing I fear on this earth is death. The cow nine. And everybody will die. Everybody will die. And to say we be trying to regina hodie. And they cannot cry na buku today and I cannot cry ninku. They cannot cry now. The journalists in this country, I pity for them. Omuya me mobo chire say omunsa guomachi they can't speak because aduma ni ho. Aduma na eni ho no. Ana wanya baby ase. Ana order from above and odi eye aduma. Enti onni ne ho, onde ne ho. Oti dem pese me chona say onde ne ho. He is under control. Asema Captain Smart e kan radio so bone ben o kan e. De o kan nya no kure. Enya no kure. Asema Captain Smart e kan radio so nya no kure. De yen na yen tro. Captain. You must be a follow when you me start to follow me nyini biasa. Me start to follow from Fox FM and I'm starting to follow Captain Smart. Obi tag na mame. One number tag na mame. Also me tie me kwasa asemi kakra. Captain, you tonight ba no bebre. They have journalism at heart because of some of you. Because of you. Me start to take Captain nyene. Me start to take Captain no Fox FM. Papa and mama started to take Captain Smart because my papa no pay piano that no take Fox FM. Or Mr. Captain Smart program. But some of us we got the love for journalism way back from listening from Captain Smart because all Fox FM now or boy Juma and then kwasiafo aba na ya orgasm dear ben and one touch news and to one kwasiasam me we have bloggers now more platform akese Kofi TV news and fellas nemo so we have am so. We have bloggers now more platform akase dem yaba so. Sa za no kwa de wa chimisi obi a wasase we so. Puto. Asiasam nko a. Monye no man no nya sa. E wo se nkwanya baabi didi nya baabi sha. E wo se na no also that na brochire na wo beto se mu bi e program a menhye na support ye na wo be ufie na wusi wo Ghana no e come the youth no mo de se kan ba wuro ha ba twawo aju usika firi nse masa puire na wo be fro fa aka so fa kan yo na e ma me gina ka free US ba ya wo mo de yenkonwa nam na so ma wakaka mu no o ma gina ka mama me chiao o so fa o sinya ize o me dem sa me ti se de bi ko so abonti mi pie ya adi na me place che yenkonwa wakaka mu na me downtown wa ba no adi na me place che yenkonwa ye ma wo na anopa wi anwume ni etuatua wa so yenkonwa wakaka mu etu de tina blochire na wo beto se program a kajimisam kire yen na didi atem tina blochire why wo dan na wusi no asase na wato no ekom the youth no wo baba betina baba enjoy na se do mo be wuri wo ababe busum ya mbo wasum ne wo se yebo ene wo se yebu sotro na etu ye wo de yebo no ha ene ye wo de yebu obi bo busum wankasa hu ade wa pi mo kine bi yampafo mukase ye di Ghana for we are not cowards. Ghanaians are not cowards. What I say, Ghanaians are not cowards, but we were raised with humility. Timid about munye dealing na me be kwam e be ye be fa abotire kakra bibi e koso a woni pani nyasam kra. What I say, but this time around no, the youth are arise. The youth have arise, fix the country. Mini ne mesin and fix the country no. What much tax mama papa? Much tax mama mama me tax. Wo dey en support in yaji me. Neba. Me say, ye frau se bra. Baba to a. Na ma bo anu kama. Me da bia da me paniti o. Me da e da me paniti. Eti mo amutala mo no punu kwa na do se me sori apia no. Mo ajimi. Em se ye ni kan na mo. Wo do bi nyimi. Mo ta me phone kwa na sa.
I love Chris Fish.
Sorry.
I saw my gang here cool. Boys name how they cool. Step on set, one side got somebody I enjoy your cool. And in the gang, Santa boys, we don't fear we just
I'm Bibi Sumawa bra.
one posuro, and in the end, Kana.
Septini Jonas in US. Now bodyguard did the chair. No for your minister me for bodyguard. All I do is take it easy. All I do, many bra bring you and say, and no me Septini Jonas video. Now bodyguard did the chi. US. Now Chini Jonas in US. Now bodyguard did the chi. Protecting why? And yes, a bodyguard need protecting US from Abrofno. Bruni non fa one in the way one care or no system papa cause will enjoy the life. And be before now what abrochine one now nothing no offer bodyguard protecting hono. Because I be before now me and penny for no found some bobby pa. Or found some betting metal protect it amobi that will free up and home that's thank you. Or found some metal protect it ama penny be. Na unquanti what free Ghana I protect kitaba brochire ababa medal keke. Or found some besa because pen crack. Ghana penny for no pen crack. It's almost found say one quantity or suma obi. I'm an free Ghana hampo. So many obi or US or crana or found sa one quantity or best will be a man free Ghana ha interpret kitamano. So I'm lambe medal into Tunidian nama. That's bodyguard dinachi. It mean I'm Ghana and I remember what downtown I'm so much gumno. Here was sent for no Monteria and do you know the course I receive here? And I'm a can see the quarter frame at 30 me biano. Minim form, the papa nim form. Me fo. Mesh for Marco who o cradin, o cradin, me pe o cradin pe. Huh? One more, say Mobana more type of course. I was started this idea and started free muso. Opa me so now type on course. Yasama, me your program, na ma read comment no. Na ma course show din o profile, na ma pe o cradin. Ma talk cradin. Obete obri wo ewiase wo ha wo bae asia dem say mu bia de pen e de no you don't know what is behind us they say better You don't know what is behind us. You have no idea what is behind us. And you know, if you can't watch us, you better go. You don't know. Fix the country. That is our. You are in duty. You are in duty, and it is your responsibility to fix the country. Hey, I must say at Yatiako. What bodam? I mean, ya dear chiro. Say Yatiako, I mean, ya dear chiro. What bodam? Where are they? Wait, are they? Wait, are they? Everybody, would you Jimmy? Would you miss Jimmy? Ariade. Oh, can you? Ariade. Me no police is some Nimilaimu. Dabi. Court to some Nimilaimu. Dabi. Court, police. Dabi. And would you Jimmy? Huh? Na oba me show didi matam na ka kwasa sam kire me. Some of you I decide to ignore you because na you from now onwards mo do oba Jimmy who commenting kwasa sam after the program no me kwa ko read comment na me kwa ko yi udin ma nya wo credit wo profile ni mu kura na minim how I me dig down me dig deep because minim form me kwa ko hwehwe wo credit na wan kasa wo beti wo de wo mu wo tase Adentina mo man fa snap ni kosua ni se wo court. Adentina pani bi bedi ade a mo man fa snap ni kosua ending se. Adentina pani bi bedi ade a wo Ghana konya so a mo man fa snap ni kosua ni se. Adentina yey die ntira. Mujara matam Bible ni Quran sha o munsa. No mu wia yen. No matam Bible ni Quran sha o munsa. No mu wia yen. Na Ghana fight nyame beye ebefa ebeye ye abebi bewu aneso minimunsu awudura wo Ghana me de wo be kwakoja me nko prison bra na wo bugu dem me wu nko wo so be dransa na wo enti wo de wo bodam na pani bi soma sa bra why bra ka sama kire wo ye nam kwa ye aduma na ye nim nkrofo ko no. If you want to fight for Ghanaians, they are the most foolish people that will come and attack you. And to the Oba show, all the freedom fighters, big ups, fire from above. Dr. Ren, Muko Amwaman and no crown, or some protect him home because you must be Kasa, a static Kasa, you know. And a Kenya Captain Smart, no Kasa, no, because no Captain Smart, some time ago, no Kasa, no pump any furniture, and no Beja Kura. It is through social media, you Pojano, was that yes line so, or this line so, no swung. Also, I'm suspended on 1 month. Captain, you have money. What about bra? What's his fear? Captain, Kevin Taylor, I want the platform. No cre any asema or can a no crentino. Oba live a penny petty no. Chini Jonas, I can't cre. Oba live a penny petty no. Captain, creative platform. Facebook, YouTube, a hefa radio station club to my BOD. Biodie ye baba betie na order from above no untimi nka no kore da me na meka me kire order from above untimi nka no kore da enti wo de oba me show so a Jimmy why Jimmy na ye hwe de besi Ghana wonko a de wonko a wonti me kwa pepe o kra dadin me pe o kra dadin da ye wo din no me pe no na me de ayawade apoto nkujima kwadaba kopula kpaji na ma ya wade na nti won susu a pani bi beka se 100 cedis na poto na be bra brantia no won so gisika no na bra why wa pani bi beka se won so gisika na ko bra brantia no because o kan no kure wo bie Ghana fo ani no won so gisika na bra na baba beto se ma sorry gina ho feseka wo de sama dwene nya dwuma Bama mo adwena ye dwuma Original one Original one Papa Friend swap Lunia.
Don't earn salary, that's the part of the living. Men in the gang.
We will force you to play, to think. And we will force you to fix the country. We will force you to fix the country.
Out of my way. These niggas keep on talking, never did that thing they say.
They keep on talking. They never do what they say.
No bragging.
No bragging over here.
I'm a yes, sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry. I'm sorry. Make up back, make up sorry. Many come and this time with your toss, I saw so cold. Send education on me, that bitches don't be the womb. Make a son again, but shed your bema check it. Bottom, you can buy me your fee. Get the money with no degree. Say my bar, me your G. Lord, take her from the sea.
Time and 30 will be a time and 30 will be a when me the bomb yakasa me home by me 30 will be a mentality will be a but my 30 will be time and 30 will be a the better me catch our home and say we me the bomb yam home by we me the bomb yam home by into walk as you penny na penny be small sa brantie we kwana ko dinagu kwana ko plana won so wo ba boa ho because I'm chero wonso wo ba na wonso aboa wo simple and tia simple and tia we gidi sambia nim gidi sambia nim wonso wo ba na wonso ayede wa aboa wo because mine na e wo mu no emu panifo mpe no kure celebrities amotum ho asi ho ayi mu platform no e dey campaign fake the country no na nanu mu nsiram mu kwaso anano montamochi mo ne celebrities mo ye living legends mo ne celebrities mo ye living legend hwe Ghanaians, let's forgive Captain Smart so cause wa cement they cause let's forgive them let's forgive them, let's forgive him because Captain Smart adwuma na oye no you be adwuma na oye. How will you know say e bi kura na cement no de ko no? He was asked, how will you know? Maybe he was asked to carry that cement to go in the name of maybe the company, and I say maybe on behalf of the company. But maybe I almost don't know national entity. Obufuno, Mofacham. The papa no or started fire and penny for me metino until say what say and no what can I say? I remember video in Chiro, huh? I remember video in Chiro. 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 I see here. Sure. What the money miss? You need dinner. Oh, why so crying and fresh? Let me say yeah. Hello. Me live video program. That's why I'm in pick a call. Why? What's it? Never. I'll get back to you soon. Why? My main program now. Why? Don't worry. My frost is here. Why? My program I have some 30 minutes. My phone is here. Why? My frost. Why? Hello. I was out. My fan. Why? Me won't call. Why? My frost. My mini video been chosen here. Why? This here. Never. My mini video been chosen. Many video been chosen here. Many video been chosen.
I can say, sir, there be a concrete road. Only 1 kilometer of concrete road in this country. Who can say they get a boom my own? Shaman telling member where in Ghana. As all you're useless. That's why you're useless. Oh, brains. But with him, I have bad, poor leadership. Everything under this sun is leadership. The rest are just effects. And you don't need to have a PhD before you can understand that everything under the sun is leadership. You know understand, I mean? And then I basa. And I'll call on Dr. Baumia because you are the head of the economic management team according to the constitution of this country. And now Papa be friendly. I didn't make us yes, I'm a hammer bomb, Nana, Baumia, bomb, now come and say, what is it to go and catch on more? And you what are you telling me? A common thing from, and you want us to keep quiet? Yes, property may tell me, to many to capture the lady. There be a concrete road, on 1 kilometer of concrete road in this country.
This is the worst of a patriotic man. This is the voice of a patriotic man. Or a patriotic man. This is the voice of a patriotic man. Baumia, what the economist tata, amisata. What the economists and the brofakes here, tata, misata, my papa ni. What you mean the economic questions and Kuabe handed them over? Sana uti achire nyina na political games. With the economic question tata misata ena wanina economics na ayede ena omani pro ena yetisikaso eso komede yetisikaso komede se me pa beyedi. With the economic question tata ba misata ma oluma ya misata on pen ho asem on pekasa. O the economics atata papa me see economics a wo de tata papa de ma wo de ho pressure awuye because wanyare wakwa gym wa no free tahwe e dia economics wo the economics atata na wo the economics atata papa yana wo the economics eku papa yi ana Ghana for see yo yate ana we economics ana one need equilibrium ana y ana syz ana the Pontius Pilate ana kwase economic terms no ana profaka sie ana Ghana for see yate krache yate why sirem krache yate mo na mako school na adame wura no den region no empisa mo no den region mo go parliament mo benye fie wo parliament nti akranti mo fa no fofo hu biem no adame wura no den region no mo bete mo de wo ope empisa mo tebua fo power Ghana ha mo fi no den region no wo mo so na obekọ mu krom ne yede nanki bi na esi dan o mo so na obekọ mu krom ne nipa ne moa enu mu nsuo am say the brofa ka say ne bu my own me kwada sole ya den a ye ba beje WhatsApp call ne ade so tax now me mo bi do asisi awa wa fi ne ko me ba wa fi ne ko wonnim na be ka se Ghana phone tax mo jimi a won se de medo me bi no wa wo be ka se Ghana phone pay tax tia won evangelist ade wo tiri koto se watermelon wa wo fi ne ko me se wo ka se Ghana phone pay tax tia no kwasia ene Ghana no bibia beto bia tax tale soro bibia beto bia ni hwe eni direct and indirect tax bibia beto bia tax tia so hwe we de bade we yo tiri so no apampa so me boa we ne tale ho no e yo tiri so no apampa so me boa enye tax ene bibia beto Ghana bia stamp tale so ya yo tax mo so la mo se Ghana phone pay tax tia sa abrofo ne de tax etitira mo man e for that matter we say Ghana for tax mo nyansa say abrofo no mo di tax na o mo de ye nema papa o mo de bi tua nkwalaka o mo de bi fix akwan o mo de bi see hospitals at the end of every year if it be tax return no master the tax return asama wa charge your tax no nya ho faso COVID-19 by every citizen in United States of America population over 320 something million everybody was giving $1,400 a tax no mutiana mutimi na mudi go for ma say no COVID by mo ma me say mo ma Ghana for say mo ma obi asay ensu amode ma free kwa masa twa mo ba begiska free SHS kwa masa twa mo ba begiska mo sa the tax ba to WhatsApp call ne ade so ene mo jale entina me platform ye fontimi nyima bi Facebook no nya Ghana media e broni dia entina me ka chi no what is a make up for be on pay the American or block me into make tree won't tear go to court tree no America because me as a man for tree na mote because so much why your opposition why your boss and economics na e dey and cement saying cement saying me fa me se kantom ko ho na kwase bi be hwa ba hu akwa na abere yeso ma me nko obetwitwa me ani ebe da bia type no be ne za kutu o si e dey hate me or you like me enya no ne be ma jai de me ye no o part time o papa masem nya ne be ma me kura se mi njai I can't stop me ma me se offer me ma mo ye mienu pe offer o se mi nya me se mama me nya me na me ye o I don't know intimi njai into the brand so na me jai o de me jai o bodam o de obi gimi bofa kase ne de tumi na mamu se mo nya de wo de on mu chimi na mo type of fix your attitude no you be fix mo ni mo ti so na pampa so wo do wasiam pani bi type of fix your attitude na me hade you be fix wo tiri so enu pampa so wo afi na ko be type of fix your attitude bia wo tiri so na pampa so uko US ni UK ni Canada ni ade a obi a nya papa but eyamra ampani for de go akwam and de nipa asi kwapa so amara me boa uko US ni Canada ni abrotia Germany ni here KHC that thank you very much so I share my program na mama all the way from Canada KHC that am chiao o check Canada ni ade a structure you put in place ana guiding nipa it's penifo na put in system it what Jimmy says na the system will force you to think will put you on the right way untimi en for oba na wonya ne basabasa ye beje wo japade ni nya dia ma oba no e system abrochi ntisa ubetima tete oba basabasa abrochi e nyankopon na ka kire mo so monya ne sa enya system na dia to onum ase system bi eni honum e na obi abuga da obi a e na obi abukata obi a mebo a nana we are fed in past yes is true etimu penifo na ye mo mo sede o ka be na kwasiam pani bi ama na ba comment how many years did it took USA to develop? Do you know the number of years it took US to develop? And for that matter Ghana is nowhere yet. Utiri so no apampa so how many years have it took Rwanda to develop? How many years have it took Rwanda to develop? How many years have it took Dubai to develop? Lolo Badaita, greetings. How many years have it took Dubai to develop? Ukaze krono ni awudi e kwaso ma wem bekaze awudi a enye ni bagunkumo si company fo wia ukaze nya no omu jaya ukaze ma we etimi fa and president Ben ka se fa Ghana Nigeria man within 5 years obe transform ni nyina no president Ben mo tapu ni di mame president Ben ka se we fa Ghana Nigeria man within obe transform no president Ben and I'm about fix the country. Fix the country. We gave you the power. We pay taxes. Me kwa de bia me ka se Ghana ni bia njai tax tia. De bia me ka Ghana ni bia njai tax tia. KHC data. The knife is a signal to the cutlass when your knife no wa. And the wa. Knife no ha me twe ya tire. Knife no wa. Life no ha ni nyina me na mama boa me ho e wo me ho me boa me ho ban I'm protecting myself me ntati obi ase me ba betwa ne se kan me ntati obi ase me ba bepraw I'm protecting myself we abo me kwan abo no is sending signal to those who are foolishly say omo de omo ya bo mo pass omo be prepare no baba na me knife no wani wo me ho de bia cha me ho me na bia wo me ho Putin obi type emi hu o se Putin North Korea president meboa North Kim Jong Un meboa o se give me Ghana and Nigeria I will use just 5 years to transform it cause siampa for e mo say nyame na be free so abeye This time around, your social media program, Ghanaians are listening to us. Although Mama Bando boy thing, Ghana phone to me online, but yes, still Ghanaians are listening to us. They are watching us and they are awakening. They are opening eyes. Fix the country, oh, fix the country, oh, fix the country, oh, fix the country. What about type? What about type of fix attitude? Be Antonia Mankun on say what's for boom them. A poor United States of America or Munina fee. And to system papa or and for that matter, you are being forced. Well, I didn't in a Ghana, New Ghana. I didn't in a Ghana, New Ghana. Where quite the forces saying, or do Dubai pet, or do US pet, or do Canada pet. No, I started here, Juma. No, I started where Juma. Obi pay me number on. Okay, what's the number? Obi say then, B and I will pick you. That's how much Juma no. Now then, am I the first person to be arrested in this world? Am I the first person to be arrested in this world? Am I the first person to be arrested in this world? Else you movie Wiaka was wrong. Do you think Wiaka was? Am I the first person to be arrested in this world? And I don't think you are coward. Have I threatened somebody? Those knife I showed you say I'm protecting myself. I'm well protected. If you are coming protect, that is why I show you the cutlass. And it's not a crime to protect yourself. It's not a crime. Because this country we are in, no, police need no more time. The whole Konongo, the police station here back up. A police phone go no crowd kokana, e crowd no crowd, wabre or took our for baby. Eti obi pra echina wi ansa na afre police amanaba. Ghana na konfo koye operation wie, e ma police for e ba no mu say blue alarm. Ye ba omunyane. Baby, we are saying na dri. Obi ye kwaduni wo Ghana pe or drive careless wo Ghana. Where careless driving wo Ghana. Where kwadofo wo Ghana. When the time so wo Ghana ne time anya wo Ghana pe. Otu kwan ko dru amano ne pe. Na afei ontimi nya fi basa said the Ghana odi na to form no afei odi ontimi fan to form no de kwato das bi mu said the oye kwadofo no afei onye kwadofo na afei okwa adwuma afei no oye time conscious ye ka say 9 by 8:30 no start say no by 8:40 no ho 9 kan was minie. Why a system e abofo ne be ye e Enjebe Gabriel e ni mo kafirim e ayita firimana e nipa e mperifo enti a system nipa na fixe enti aka fix the system or podam sa fix your attitude still so what am most a be type of fix the attitude fix your attitude will have him siasema kwako. Ghanaians have started demanding accountability. It is a mean of it. Thank you, my brother. Also protect yourself. I'm protecting myself. Anyway, we uko mi krom kasa my friend afanya me ya igbeni uko mi krom kasa my friend afanya into the bra me fanya ya sama kwa I'm saying I'm say you mu bi yesuro de ye no I'm say mu bi yesuro the youth arise. Obviously your number is not complete. Okay, what's it? That number no anya complete ampa 0554224092. The number is not complete ampa. The number is 0554224092. Oh, for me number abe fere me no. Be ka sempa. Be ka sempa. What you say? What tell me a? Me yudin. Me mo hu. Adai. Ghana for a D, sir. Ghana for a more, sir. And they will be to me kind of crow Ghana. Can you see that? I made us say. What's our number? Niya, mammy. 0554224092. Can you see that? I made us say. Ghanaians are cowardly quiet. They can't demand accountability because they are afraid. Captain Smart, director, you are doing a marvelous job. And you are a brave man as well. Tell me Captain Smart can. He's a brave man as well. Tell you can.
No man, me want to say, I didn't know so be the papa na ye can. I am on for good. Hey, Alexa.
But I'm moving from CCR, my program.
Sir, Obiya the papa ye can. I don't know I'm on for. Me won't even come on tomorrow. Look, you should know me by now.
I know. Obiya to me come on tomorrow.
What you say, Jam, come on the bit that. Wouldn't man catch your plane because my one.
No.
Let me tell you. I come on the bit.
Dabi, come on the wabobra.
Hey, me what take? I say, hey, when you want
Juma.
Come back.
No.
Me the two hop and the cast. You look at the rules of the when you want there. Say, we are DNA, me make catch now.
Simple.
Look, be some mommy, let be some papa, no one come soon. My extended family, my uncle, or Jen in Samujina, could be jail 15 years. Because, sir, and near me one a bit here on mine. And we make catch now. Me shamachi, Nama to Sabi.
Meba.
And I mean,
Meba. Oma me pen and paper. Nana Kojo be aba ha betwem kwasase meba. So we didn't Kojo meba. Why, abusha meba. Meba sisi ya. Meba, Nana Kojo. Meba. I mean 20 didn't to why? Nana Kojo. We have to use some people. We have to use some people as scapegoat as scapegoat. I'm sure you didn't hear. When you saw the Nana Kojo meba. I'm sure you didn't hear meba. Nana Kojo meba. Nana Kojo. This guy find work for self do. Nana Kojo. Thank you for that. Why? Nana Kojo. Boy. Okay. We are me what's it? Manya udina to. Me ka me se kwam kokonai. Wo be hwe. Wo de wo be hwe. Ma chere udina to why? Yampa fo muama. Yam say mu bi esuro mu wo. Inte captain we.
No when I am not the kind of a leader. Yeah. And just shut down the Tikroma. And the Naroba. I'm seeing the way and another Casa. The way and another Tiano or the Brofumi to I'm sorry, Dave. Come Brofumi. What was this? So you're there. So you say,
Nana said, Nana see you.
Look, man, there's a difference between somebody who is confident and fearless and somebody who is disrespectful. And two different things. It says, oh, yes, yeah. So we are now here, me, I'll tell you why you're here. Make catch the wood to the other. No, not tell you.
No.
But we take catch up, says, yes, for me, engine to up with the back to her.
No.
If you don't know me well, me, I'll tell you who I am. Because me, my one on Bob Bra.
No. Muamba.
Okay, says, yeah, me, cut, identify. From town, we go to say, "Fum, because anything ever stopping or man from developing, mean just yet. And if I who you are,
not to need you.
You can be the president, you can be the vice, you can be a king, you can be whoever. So, my idea, Emma or man, you call anymore.
You better catch it out.
Who you are,
you better catch it out. You better catch it out. You better catch it out. We don't pass your phobia. I'm going to pay rules.
So, ministry to ministry says this kind of make count.
No. Catch it all.
Bisa ministers, no. One may call you no one haba. Bisa one. Men the ball punum say MP, Mamsika, the minister, Mamsika, Babaumia, Mamsika, Nanado, Mamsika, Minya. But don't do that nonsense.
Network in here. If the network is okay, let me know.
I'm from cable nation.
If the network is okay, let me know.
Minya. It's a yes, can find her mato. They can't yes, baby, I better. It's been my job, Minister, and Piget, and some scale 100. Minya.
Catch it on.
Because baby, I hear Quado, and Hawa, and then maybe a few battles.
Oh, what? Say Rwanda. Nancy, Rwanda.
Listen, Mammy can't be, Messi. About where I bought business chair, baby.
Oh, what can you say, man?
Check the records. Abawe, what Bob business chair, a baby, what Bob business chair, Kwame Nkrumah, what bought chair Rollinson, what bought chair Mahama, what bought chair Professor Messi, what bought chair Jay Kufo, what bought chair Buzia, and Nanado Abawe, what Bob business chair, baby.
It's Mayanka. Mayanka.
Check. What do we see? Look, me, I catch up. Me, one journalist. I see journalists in Jlamfinfi. Me, no dear friend in Jlamfinfi.
Dabi. Don't be hypocrite.
Mahama, ya, dear, ya, me catch Rano. Timer, NDC 4. Namina mania to tell me. Me men try so better tell me.
Because you're penukura. You're penukura. What it?
What do you catch wrong?
What it? What it? What here? What? Already have my wife. Sauti was one mania at the table. It one wounded out the 10 hour. One would that. What two are better? What two are better? It's a chinny dollars and swap a bodyguard in a cheek, and some bodyguard in the corner. Sauti, Mr. Bodyguard in the corner. A 2 day was so black. Miniska medical to me what to and come in. Bra! Some penocre. Tear.
Me men try so better tell me because I'm some of everyone is so better tell me.
Tear. What? I've heard what? So what here? NDC time or fire penny for near the tenor. Auntie, what one home? Auntie, Obeto, Omro Muska, Auntie, Womato two. Mr. Mediana Dame Congo. What dear blah? But Jimmy, Kasiaba,
Tear, Mammy catch wrong. Me don't try me. We have mistake. That would discipline.
Mo. Me chow.
Oh yeah, naked. Me found sir. I voted for Nanado. Yes, I did. Because yeah, then SSC at Tuaba, SSC at Tumaba.
Mo.
Yes, I voted for Nanado. But listen, black way. The fact is that yeah, Papa no one just won't be a man.
Kennedy. Catch it on.
Yeah, Papa no. So when you will say Papa, yeah, mammy, assume to take, we will tell you that who Jimmy Jai. Mo. When you are the say drop fire, what Ghana, any Ghana for your political parties next year. Yes,
Mo.
Says a party.
So we nipa now just as you so. Now say o papa ebo ma me nti wo de wo so papa no papa nti won ka ho asema wo jimfo hwe mo ma inti captain kakra tie
ne man koya kacha party ne mpani for say ade a mo ye no nya munjai ani akrokro wuru nipa krokro nipa sa eti adiana oye no say o mine no
and so still
and yes sir GH boy sika and Abigail akwaje and ayeka and asesa Abigail tua and Abigail ntua yo why eye besia ne eto aya jeje asesa de your man ye and sika ni nwuru and you want me to shut up? No,
mudi sika sa
I won't
ka kire o mu
but my classroom now office no
Shabi. Shabi.
This is present day Ghana.
Shabi, Etimayanka.
And people sit where and say,
what do you try? Because I said, I'm into it.
Official, the school in the
so, because I said, I'm into it.
Where a classroom?
And now, here. Chenier.
Where a classroom? Where a teacher or not? Oh, for my.
Sure.
Where a castle?
Sure.
And you want us to keep quiet? No, I will not keep quiet.
Sure. Have you got this idea?
That's a my Facebook Live account.
Captain Bayabila. Ghana for Babatio. Captain Blabayabi. And look what they say the mainstream media TV stations so do sena. Almost saw my camera or when 100 views in poor Ghana. TV station do sena almost saw my camera when 100 views. Captain, bra Facebook Live or no? You move be a platform, they bet much change in their chow. Now they are back no crime on my Ghana.
Quiet. No, I will not keep quiet.
With a penny be sumawa bra.
That's a my Facebook Live account. Back to my pigger.
Bra.
Because Nana, people are calling you, say, fix the country. Fix the country. But fix the private place. I will make there. I know shit and fix it. And I'm not catching them.
What?
Because what can I say is that when I am about me at the
But
you see, after 2 years in Nanado's administration, I am permanently a Moses account. What's I say? Yes, we voted for you. But we will tell you when things are not right.
Exactly. You told us not to be spectators, we should be citizens.
What can I say, Mama? Send it. Mama catch us, and what now order. Because no, see why you're quite. No, yay. Me, the quiet. And you see, Eastern Corridor, Jeben, why you me buy an Adonam Wadom, Mr. Brahma. Eastern Corridor, be anywhere by you. No, I question Parliament, Akoka. But about the saying, Your Excellency, about the saying, what was so told that? Hey, Your Excellency, what for so told, what was so told?
Mupe power, Namunum Crassi. Muni na mfichire na mo ne maamefo di ban champesie na mo bobiti na mo sankwan na mo twibia bo amokomo mo wini power mo nkofa ho biem na mo ti ka mu na mo nkonya nso gu ka fofrom na mo ti play mu mo nfa fo mo biem when was the last time I won say mampani na Accra and now from be se Kumase na mpo no hu say port wo bi da fom ti so mo ti play mu e na ekoba wo nfa fo mpo no wo hu. And so Joe Biden mo the bicycle and then chrome Angela Merkel Boris Johnson Joe Biden mo the train and then chrome and then mo chrome e hu de ekoso okronim mo se mayanka
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kachre say you be concrete road on 1 kilometer of concrete road in this country.
Tell on famla
mo can say dem get a boom my own
mo
Shamanti and Maba were in Ghana. As I useless. That's why you're useless.
Dabi. Unim Ghana for 1 man on it. Unim ebinum degrees, ebinum ko amanone. Sister be frame from UK here. What's offer? Me wo Ghana. JSS kwa manye. And so me wo UK me no ka say me ya dwuma hospital. Obi frame offer. Ghana cross secondary school come and you ba me ba say broni atimi ahun de o memu amama ko school e say me engineer. Ghanaians have potentials in them. Come back to 20%. My point. I come back to 20%. My point. Ghanaians have a lot of potentials in them. But because there is no system, there is no foundation for them. Nte ne wotu my mua. Free my mua. Na buronia so mu, na system ne boa na wokoso. Obi ka say Ghanaian boys are lazy or boa. How can you tell me so be or call Juma the whole day? You try to 11 cities a day. Or you Juma 8 hours, you try to 11 cities and so still warrior. Is that person lazy? Is that person lazy? I'm powerful. Captain voice in this year. I come 8%, 20% now battery. The youth, nobody should intimidate you. We are not calling for war. We are calling for accountability and we are telling those in authority to fix the country. That is our. We are not calling for war. We are just telling those in authority to fix the country because they've been given everything they have to be given. You didn't know what loan. You didn't know what tax and the scano. It's Mesramo. Do the best thing. Do the right thing for the people. And every youth in this country should wake up. Wake up. Fix the nation demonstration in the Baswa. Big up to the organizers. Big up to you all. Big up to all the organizers. If you're big up to Fix the Nation organizer. Big ups. So Fix the Nation demonstration in the Baswa. I will be there. Live and colored. Madam Munyanase. We didn't know for your channel only Helen. And then the first time I just follow like. Uko YouTuber. Helen TV. Just go there and subscribe. Me release a video on weekend. Kwa project na me kwa me release video on weekend. Kwa hospital o me si okwa aka nwuram. Afa na meti ma wi editor no. I don't have editor. Me ana me ye bibia nti afa na ma wi. Nti me release weekend ya. Kwa betifi. Kwa sha betifi big hospital project ana former government this year aka nwuram. Me release. Just go to Helen TV on YouTube. Just go there. Just subscribe. Be part of it. Revolution is on its way. Big ups. I love you all. We don't fear nobody. We don't fear nobody. And nobody has given us anything. From MPP, from NDC, me followers, me viewers, me family, I'm here, I'm support me. And my bundle. Whatever is going on. Kill seat. That I thank you. Mama Hawa says thank you. Jenna K, thank you. All the freedom fighters, thank you very much. The only thing we are telling the leaders in this country is say they should fix the country. Big ups. Bye bye. I mean, my mama's last message and I'm call. You're best sorry. And you did that. You're best sorry. I don't know why. Penny be smasa oba so aboa ho bla. Penny be smasa bla be pra me oba aboa ho na me aboa mo na metia. Ane ma tro blanche bi dia to. Obetene nka o ne video mu. Obetene nka. Yeah. The youth. You be sorry. You need that. Okay, yes, we go.
You're sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry.
I saw my gang here cool. Boys name how you cool. Step on set. One for that one my dad joy you cool. And in the gang, Santa boys. We don't fear, we just do. Kumarika send in the near. One posuro. And in the near. Can I'm by the bar. You're 20 men down. And get my foot, nigga before Santa boy so we get this to the bro. Thinking my bro, selling us slow. Why she could them on I'm a crow.
I love it all niggas. Santa America, Miami, Phony now. Yeah, me the blood niggas. I don't fuck with no false niggas. Niggas pretend on some false truth, but they life living. They ain't got no life living. You know what's like we scheme, we don't earn salary, that's the part of the living. Men in the gang.
The youth. The youth. The youth. The youth. Mutina any abreno. The youth. The youth. The youth. The youth. Oh, the youth. The youth. The youth, we are for you. We are not calling for war. We are calling for accountability and fix the country. The law should work, irrespective of the person. The law must work. I love you all. I love my motherland. Tell me the wa brochi na ko ofie na ka said the wanya no ho to wa brochi na ka ofia ka o ma. Tell me wa ha. Ahota wo mu abrochi na ka bi ofia ka o ma no type say me ma type. I love you all. So you can show me the love. Go to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hell on Earth TV is there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hell on Earth TV. Oh, I love you all. Abin James, thank you. Rosemont, thank you. Theophilus, thank you very much for watching. Albert, question, thank you very much for watching. Ubibiara Obasubia, thank you very much. The network is bad, eh? The network is bad. Upon that's Monadu say, thank you very much. Ezekiel, thank you. Obia Oshebia, thank you very much. Benezo Kutu, I love you. The love is deep. We are there for the youth. Accountability is what we are demanding. We are not calling for war. That is what I want to tell you. Let's go to YouTube right now. Just go to YouTube right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. This country is for we, the youth. Royal Black Jesus, right? I thank you. Kum Sentoni, thank you very much. Nia James, I thank you. Just comment and I'll mention your name. Emin Chaga, thank you. Ubiabaso, I'll commenting because I said more home. I'm intrigued into her. Muamba. Twanyama be kumkuma mutron kwasa questions ni na mutiriso na mapampa so Muamba Desmond do say thank you. Bright and Pemdako, thank you. Sancho Holmes, thank you. Nia James, I thank you very much. Bo Poma Elizabeth, thank you very much. Sravam Kuma, thank you very much. Just go to YouTube right now, subscribe to my YouTube channel for the support. Madam Munasi. Opeso Sandy Bibi Mamma the top band on swap. It's welcome, no problem. What I say? Trinity Bonanza West, writer, greetings. Indi Obiatem. The Americans say we demand accountability and fix the country, fix the nation. Quick. Clever Bad, thank you. Ajenim Boateng, thank you. Ajamai Boateng, thank you. Stelio, thank you. Big ups. Respect. God bless you all. Respect.